Hi, we are back today with a fun appetizer for you. We are into October now, and I'm going to make another fun twist on a regular appetizer. One of my favorite ones is a nice antipasto platter, and today we're going to make a pretty creepy one, perfect for Halloween coming up. Okay, so for our ingredients today, we've got about 6. If you want to add more on the platter, you can most certainly do that. But for today, we're just going to be using 6 ingredients. You'll want some goat cheese, some cream cheese, you'll want some nice prosciutto, you'll want a mozzarella roll, and I like to get actually the one, if you can find it, the one that has prosciutto and basil actually wrapped into it. So that's really nice. And then you'll also want, just for the platter, you'll want some mixed olives and some crackers. And you can do a variety of crackers, you can do a variety of olives as well. So let's get started. So this is a really fun appetizer. Like I said before, I really love a good antipasto when I go to a party. And this is a really nice creepy twist one that you could do around Halloween. And what I've done here, just to get started, is I have put my goat cheese and my cream cheese in a mixing bowl. And I'm just mashing it up a little bit, and then I'm actually going to let it sit out just so it can really soften, because you want to be able to mold this cheese into your hand shape. So I'm going to let this sit for a little bit. Basically the process is, after this softens, I'm going to go grab some kitchen gloves, and I'm going to form, as best I can, this cheese into like a hand shape. And then what we will do is then start covering it with slices of prosciutto, and that actually gives a really creepy look. And then we will put on the very end, right where the wrist is, we're going to be putting the mozzarella roll that we got at the store. And then you just really transfer it. Once it chills in the fridge for a little bit to kind of harden up, just transfer it to a nice platter or maybe a nice cutting board, and put like a variety of crackers and some mixed olives. You can add extra things on your antipasto platter if you like. And you can also put the knife just to be creepy. I saw this years ago online. Somebody had put like a knife like right down the center of the hand, which is kind of fun. So that's always a great way to finish off the recipe. All right, just gonna let this soften here, and then we'll start forming the hand. Okay, so my cheese has softened. It's been sitting out for a little bit. I'm just gonna start scooping some of the cheese on just a parchment lined cookie sheet here. And it's a bit messy at first, but it's kind of fun once it starts coming together. So what we're looking at is we're going to do some bigger scoops for the hand portion, and then we'll do some smaller scoops in a row for all the fingers. All right. I saw this really fun appetizer years ago online. I saw a picture of it, and someone had done something similar to this, so I always thought it was kind of fun. So just start making your little scoops. And then it really just kind of comes together after a while. You're going to shape it with your fingers, and then we'll put it in the fridge so it can chill a little bit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. I try to post a video at least once a week. So I'm just going to continue here. And you'll see after a while we'll start to get the shape of the hand.